Stop everything! The iPhone 17 Pro's final look just leaked, and this is what Apple's actually bringing to the table. The 2025 flagship isn't just getting a facelift, it's stepping into a whole new design era. The leak comes straight from a trusted source, and what we're seeing flips earlier rumors on their head. And wait till you hear what's happening to that camera module. The latest scoop points to bold design changes, a unibody aluminum frame, a redesigned camera island, and smarter internal space use. Apple seems ready to ditch titanium for something sleeker yet solid. And while Apple stays silent on the September 9th reveal, someone else has already spilled the design tea. And not just with blurry renders. Case maker Dbrand, yeah, the one that never holds back, just dropped images of its upcoming case for the iPhone 17 Pro. And when case makers speak, you listen, because they get Apple's exact dimensions ahead of launch. That means what we're seeing is more than guesswork. It's basically confirmation. But the real shock is in how the camera bump looks now. Dbrand's tank case shows a chunky, raised area at the top, clearly signaling Apple's new camera island. It's bigger, bolder, and fully integrated into the body. The camera control button, action button, power, and volume keys are all in familiar spots. But the chassis itself? That's where Apple's made a radical shift that could change durability and style. Instead of titanium, the iPhone 17 Pro's body is now carved from a single block of aluminum, unibody style. This means the camera bump isn't a separate piece anymore. It's literally part of the frame, flowing seamlessly from the back. That's not just pretty, it's practical. And the benefits for Apple's new camera system, you'll want to hear this. This integrated bump gives Apple room for serious hardware upgrades. We're talking a 4.8 MP telephoto lens, plus whispers of a periscope zoom with 5x to 8x optical range. The redesign also means fewer weak points, better weight balance, and a cleaner hand feel. It's Apple design minimalism, but with a rugged twist. That said, the tank case makes the phone look beefy, likely hiding finer curves and finishes. Which begs the question, how much of this new look will Apple actually show off at the launch? We don't have to wait long to find out. The official unveiling is almost certainly set for September 9th, though Apple hasn't dropped the invite yet. And here's the kicker. Dbrand says its case for the iPhone 17 series will be available before the event, which means the public could see the final design days before Tim Cook even walks on stage. But this leak isn't just about looks. If Apple really goes all in on this periscope camera, low-light shots, zoom clarity, and stabilization could leap forward. That's the kind of upgrade that changes how people actually use their phones day to day. And if Apple nails it, we might see the biggest camera leap since night mode debuted. The shift to aluminum could also mean lighter weight compared to the Titanium Pro models, but that's not confirmed yet. What we do know is that Apple rarely changes core materials without a strategy. This move might be about cost, production speed, or even sustainability. Either way, it's a statement. Apple is willing to break tradition in 2025. Still, some questions remain. Will this camera island feel awkward in hand? Will aluminum hold up as well as titanium under daily use? And what about the rumored new colors? For now, one thing's certain. The iPhone 17 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most dramatic Pro redesigns in years. Between the camera overhaul, the unibody chassis, and the possible zoom upgrades, Apple's setting the stage for a serious flagship flex. The only thing left, seeing it live under those bright keynote lights. So what do you think? Is the iPhone 17 Pro a must upgrade? Or just Apple's yearly hype machine? Drop your thoughts in the comments because this leak has me counting the days till launch. I'll be tracking every new detail, every close-up, and every insider tip right here. Stay tuned, and as always, see you in the next one. Peace.